sent an official letter to the embassy, US Embassy, inquiring from them if really my visa was cancelled. So I received their official answer the day before my birthday, January 20. What a good Christmas birthday gift. Informing me that my visa is no longer valid for travel to the United States.
Until when, sir? Until when?
Well, walang sinabi. Basta should I want down to apply for another visa, I may apply subject to US laws and rules and regulations.
Will you still apply for a new visa?
No reason was stated. Walang sinabi reason.
Will you still apply for a new visa, sir?
Titingnan ko kung tutuloy kung pupunta si President Duterte sa kanyang